Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Bangkok, guys. We're actually in Bangkok, Thailand, guys. It is a great day out here in Bangkok. It's 33 degrees. It's fantastic. It's a great day to be alive, guys. So welcome to the channel. Welcome to the crypto jungle out there, guys. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. Remember that, guys. Absolutely remember that. It's a great time to be alive. And also, guys, remember to go down there, smash the likes, show some love out there, guys, for the OG. I would really appreciate it. It's a great time to be alive. And remember, none of this is financial advice. And I know that a lot of people were an urgent Dogecoin Shiba Inu update today, guys. A huge warning out there. And in this video stream, we're absolutely going to be talking about what's going on with the banking. Also, we're going to be talking about BRICS. We're also going to be talking about the possible collapse of the US dollar out there, guys, and much more. We're also going to be talking about some good news that we could be seeing, that Bitcoin and Dogecoin could be going hyperbolic this year. There are some people who are saying out there that we could absolutely see the high point of crypto. We could be seeing all-time highs out there coming this year. So I'm overall bullish out there. We're going to see some chop. We're going to see some attempts to centralize crypto. People want to centralize crypto, and people want to absolutely wreck the crypto space out there. So we're going to be talking about that. We got a cool interview with Cathie Wood out there. She's going to be talking about crypto. She's going to be talking about decentralization and a whole bunch of interesting stuff in this live stream. So we got Cathie Wood. In the live stream. You've got the OG out here, and welcome everybody. Welcome to the stream. So without any further delay, let's get down and dirty, and let's get into this video, guys. And one more thing, I want to say a big shout out, big howdy to everybody out there. Eric, David Ricine, Shane Smith, Scott Gibbons, Darren out there, everybody out there, Scott Gibbs out there, everybody in the live stream. Welcome. And we got Dougie Doge out there too. It's a great time to be alive, guys. So one more thing, hopefully the volume is okay, guys. Just go down there and comment. Let me know. Let the OG know that the freaking volume is cool beans and you can hear me out there, guys. I love it, guys. Let's get into it. And remember, if you're in the live stream, if you're in the comments, no shilling, don't be vitriolic, and be respectful out there. Let's create a loving community. Let's go right now. Let's get into it, guys. Let's absolutely get into it. So, we've been seeing right now that there's been a lot of banking bingo crisis. Who wants to play? So we're seeing, a lot of banks are getting X'd out there. And so, we saw Signature Bank, First Republic, Deutsche Bank, Credit Suisse, SVB, Silvergate. Who's going to be next? Who is going to be freaking next on the banking bingo crisis, guys? So your guess is as good as mine. Could we be seeing BMO? Could we be seeing Trust? Could we be seeing JP Morgan going down? Down. I got my A&W soft drink, guys, lubricating the throat. It's great, guys. If you're in a cold, Danny Diaz in the house with your I love it, Danny. I'm sure you can probably say something else other than that, but we love the man. We love the big D out there, Grandpa Papa out there. So what I was talking about is, if you guys are in Bangkok, or if you're not in Bangkok, if you're in a cold place out there, get in over to Bangkok. You're going to want it, guys. So let's take a look at what's going on with the heat map right now. So right now, the heat map, you can see that right now, most of cryptocurrencies, it is Sunday morning here in Bangkok. Coming to you live from Bangkok. It is Sunday morning out here. It is like 9:34 in the morning. And we're seeing that most of cryptocurrencies are basically neutral out there. We've had, some range boundness. Things are being range bound. But it's pretty good. We're seeing that, even though we're seeing a lot of economic disasters out there in terms of banking, in terms of maybe the devaluation of the dollar out there, we are absolutely seeing that crypto is still holding strong. So I'm pretty psyched about that. And we're seeing that nearly 100 billion in deposits pulled from banks officially call system sound and resilient. So we're seeing that more and more money. 100 million in deposits have been taken from banks, and most of that is from small banks. And we're seeing, and we're going to talk about 200 banks are still in crisis mode. And we're seeing a lot of small community banks having problems. But it seems that perhaps the officials are delusional out there. They're freaking delusional out there because they think that withdrawing 100 billion out there is okay. It's okay. There's no problem. There's no problem out there in banking land. Everything is coming up smelling like roses. Well, I beg to differ. And the Federal Reserve data is showing that the bank customers collectively pulled out 98.4 billion from accounts for a week ending March 15th as Silicon Valley and Signature failed. So, we're going to talk about that. The amount of money that's been pulled out in the last week is more money that's been pulled out in a very short period of time compared to other previous banking collapse sagas out there. So I don't think that this whole banking situation, I don't think things are okay. I don't think things are great. I think things are not good at all, but somebody is sugarcoating it because they don't want to have panic out there, guys. So, interesting. The Fed just reported that U.S. banks borrowed $475 billion last week. Okay, we're talking $475 freaking billion got borrowed from the Fed last week. Where this money coming from? They're going to print it. They're going to turn on the printing presses. We're going to see inflation go up. We're going to see, possible, the total annihilation out there of the U.S. dollar, guys. So that is what's going on. So meanwhile, over 500 billion has been withdrawn from small banks in 2 weeks. 500 billion, guys. In 2 weeks. So, they're talking about 100 billion, but in fact, it's 500 billion, guys, 500 billion. So, the saga goes on. U.S. banks borrowed 475 billion last week, but look at the breakdown. Large banks took 250 billion, okay? Large banks. Small banks took 250. Foreign-related banks, 25 billion. And small banks borrowed the same amount as large banks because we're seeing a lot of depositors withdrawing money from small banks, guys. Furthermore, according to JP Morgan out there, 1 trillion has been withdrawn from the most vulnerable banks over the last 2 years when the Fed started raising rates. So since we started raising rates out there, this has been one of the biggest issues that have caused the banks to collapse. However, 500 billion of that has been withdrawn since the collapse of SVB. So we're seeing that 500 billion has gone, guys. So, but this is a record by far. So things are not looking good, guys. Things are absolutely not looking good for the banking sector. But from my perspective, I'm still positive. I'm still bullish because now is the time to get into crypto. Guys, if you're watching, you've got to smash the likes. If you've only got 87 people watching, where is everybody? Okay. You've got to smash the likes out there. You've got to comment. Eric, Danny, Judith out there, Taters and Eggs, David Ricine. Let's go, guys. You know what I mean? And Judith said something. Judith Murray said something. An associate tried to withdraw money in their account to help with purchase of a vehicle. The bank said no. What? Can you imagine that the bank, you want to buy a car and you've got money in your bank and the bank said, no, you can't withdraw your money? Like what is up with that? That is insane. That's insane. That's insane. Judith, I would have flipped out too. Guys, if that had happened to you, guys, just think about it. If you went to your bank and you planned to buy a car, okay, and maybe a used car or whatever, and you had cash, and you went to your bank and say, hey, I'm going to buy a car. I want to take out, 10K or 11K or whatever. And your bank said, no, you can't do that. How would you react? Guys, comment. I want to hear how would you react? How would you freaking react to that? I would be not very happy about it. That is for sure. And I would be livid. So, this is not a good look, guys. But keep in mind, guys, if you take a look at what's going on so far, we got 40% here. We got 40, 50, 60%. So, things are looking good. We're still seeing that Bitcoin is up 60% year to date. So that is fantastic, guys. That is phenomenal out there. So you're still seeing, even though we got all this, banking, the whole banking sector is a big giant turd on fire right now. We are absolutely seeing that Bitcoin is being resilient. Crypto is being resilient. Dogecoin, smash the likes out there. If you love Dogecoin like I love Dogecoin, smash the likes out there, guys. And all I gotta say is, like I said, crypto and Bitcoin is your financial freedom, guys. It really is. Because if you have a hardware wallet, if you got your crypto on a hardware wallet, you're your own bank. You're your own bank. And what is really good about a Nano Ledger wallet out there and most hardware wallets is, one, you own the keys. Also, two, inside the Nano Ledger wallet, you can actually swap crypto, Bitcoin to Doge and Doge to that. So that is good, guys. You can also store your NFTs. So you can do most of your, not the only thing you can't do is trade, but you can swippity swap. OG can't speak because I'm in Bangkok, so excited. But you can actually take your Bitcoin and trade it, and do all that kind of stuff. So it's cool, guys. It's absolutely cool out there. So once again, we're seeing here that 88% are calling for no interest rate hikes, guys. And don't forget, we got the next interest rate hikes coming out on the 3rd of May. And the latest interest rate hikes that came out from the Prowler when he raised 25 basis points, it was a huge mistake. And a lot of people in the industry are saying that this was the hugest debacle that Powell has done. And one of the reasons that we're here right now, one of the freaking reasons that we're having this whole banking collapse out there is because of the fact of all of this, the interest rate hikes that have been going on for almost 2 years now. So, we have 5 weeks, 3 days, 15 hours, and 18 minutes to the next Fed rate hike out there. And 83% are saying there's going to be no rate hike out there. I hope so, because definitely the last rate hike was a total disaster out there, and that is why we're having this situation. It's not good. It's not good. So if you take a look at the total crypto market cap out there, we are seeing the Bitcoin dominance at 46.3. We're seeing Ethereum dominance at 18.6 out there, guys. Taters and Eggs says soon the dollar will be backed by BTC. I hope so. I freaking hope so. Out there, we're seeing Bitcoin right now is almost neutral out there, as we talked about. It's at 27.6. We're going to talk about the technicals. I'm going to show you some freaking charts that are going to blow your mind, and it's going to show that we could be seeing, Bitcoin could reach all-time highs in 2023. Earlier than expected, absolutely earlier than expected. And the reason that this could be happening is because of the banking situation, right? Because people need to put their money somewhere. Where are they going to do? Put it under the pillow? Yeah, do that. And then you wake up 3 years later and the dollar is worth 50% less than it is now for buying power. I mean, one of these, is just over like a dollar out here in Bangkok. In Vietnam, it's like 80 cents. I don't know what this costs you in America. Guys, if you're watching, how much does this cost? How much does this cost in America? I appreciate it. In Bangkok, it's $1.10, as I said. In Vietnam, it's about 80 cents. What does this cost you in America? Comment. I want to know. It's a live stream. I want to know. I need the info. Get the info out there. Guys, so we're seeing that Ethereum is down. And guys, if you love this channel like I love you guys, don't forget to give super chats. Super chats. Come on. Show some love out there. And I don't have the alien. I didn't bring the brilliant alien with me. Else I would be kissing the alien. I can kiss the ANW. There, super chat. I appreciate it. So we are seeing that BNB is down. XRP is... guys, do not sleep on XRP. Yes, I was a Debbie Downer for XRP for a very long time because of the whole court case situation. But, a lot of people, a lot of pundits are believing that we are definitely going to be breaking out. And, once they win that court case and it's going to get listed on major exchanges, you're going to see that XRP could be going up, guys. So, don't sleep on XRP. The other thing that we're seeing now is even though the crypto markets are down right now, we're seeing a lot of whales. Slick Art, you're the man. You're man. How many ounces is that? It's 325 milliliters. I don't know what that is in ounces, brother. It's Jesus Argon says it's $2.99 for 20-ounce Coke can, not more. $3. Wow. So this is like a dollar, just over a dollar, guys. Just like $1.10. And in Vietnam, this thing is like 80 cents, guys. 80, well, no, not 80 cents. less than about 60 cents. So you can see here that, you know, things are cheaper, right? It's great, guys. So what I was saying is that, you know, even though Bitcoin and the markets have been going down, what the whales have been doing is they have been buying. So we are seeing a lot of the whales are buying. And why are the whales buying, guys? They're buying Shiba Inu, they're buying Dogecoin, they're buying Bitcoin, and they're buying a lot of the top projects out there. And one of the reasons they're buying is because they know something. They absolutely know something out there. And this is not financial advice. They know that crypto is going to go up. Crypto is going to go up out there. And that's why they're buying in now. And what have I been doing? I have been in the last week, I have been buying more crypto. Definitely have been doing that. The other thing that I did, not financial advice, it's just what I did is I got rid of all my US dollars. I have no US dollars anywhere in all of my bank accounts. I got it off there. I converted it to local currency. I converted to Thai baht, converted to Indonesian rupiah. I can even converted most of it to Vietnam dong out there. And then I have been systematically buying more and more Bitcoin as much as I can out there. So, you know, I've taken a lot of my fiat currency and I've reduced my fiat currency's positions by 50%, and I've increased my Bitcoin holdings significantly. So that's what I've been doing. Not financial advice, guys. Absolutely not financial advice. Also, guys, looks like, you know, Dogecoin is down 1.1%. It is just below our support line as well. Polymatic is also down as well. And it looks like Polymatic, this is kind of interesting. It looks like the market cap of Doge is 9.9 billion and Polymarket is 9.8. So why is Doge not up here? So it looks like CoinMarketCap is not updating. Looks like CoinMarketCap's got some hate on for the Dogecoin. Smash the dislikes for CoinMarketCap because they need to update the system out there. So also, guys, keep in mind that we've got 376 days to the halving, guys, to the halving if you're from England, or to the new halving. And that is why I believe that crypto is going to be going up, guys. Let's take a look at the DXY. The DXY has come up out there. Interesting. I believe that we're going to see the ultimate collapse of the dollar coming soon. And you know, also it looks like the you know, the Chinese leader, he was in Saudi Arabia, and it looks like the BRICS. You know, BRICS is like an organization. I think it includes India, China, Saudi Arabia now, and some Brazil, some other countries. And it looks like China wants to you know, China wants to get into this whole BRICS thing, and the whole BRICS thing is they want to make their own global sovereign currency out there, and they don't want to be using the U.S. dollar out there as the reserve currency of the world. So if that happens, it's not going to be good, guys. It's not going to be good. And remember this whole crisis that happened in Ukraine and Russia and the sanctions. Saudi Arabia was not happy about that because they were not able to sell oil to Russia, guys. They're not happy about that. So let's take it. SPX is up. That's pretty good. It's up for the week, so not too shabby out there. Gold is down right now. Yesterday, gold had pumped 1.16%, but we are seeing since we had the collapse of SVP, we're seeing that gold is also going up. So a lot of people are looking for safe haven for their fiat out there, guys. So interesting. Let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin right now. So if you take a look at Itty Bitty Baby right now, Itty Bitty Baby is forming a huge bull flag right now. And as I said, if we break out, and we will break out, we're getting pretty close to $28,000. We're at $27,780 out there. And it's not too shabby, guys. I mean, the last time we were at this level, guys, it was in the 12th of June, 2022. So, guys, keep that, put that in your brain pan, put that in perspective out there. We are seeing a humongous out there, bull flag forming. And that is why I believe that if we break out, and we will break out, it's just a matter of time, time, we could be seeing that $40,000 coming in for Bitcoin, guys. And you know, I'm going to be talking about what Kathy Wood has to say about crypto, what Kathy Wood has to say about the future of Bitcoin. Also, we're going to be talking and showing you some TA out there that kind of proves that we could be seeing Bitcoin going to the moon, guys. So right now we're seeing also too that Ethereum is looking pretty good. Also on the on the daily as well, we're seeing a bull flag also forming, and I believe we're going to see a huge blast off soon, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin with the predator indicator out there. The predator indicator is positive. It's positive out there, so that is pretty good out there. We're seeing that right now. Ethereum is looking okay. We're seeing some green out there. We're just being range bound. Also, bull flag forming, pretty tight accumulation. Who doesn't like tight out there, guys? And I just thought I came across this. I thought it was really, really interesting. And this is from a simplified engineer out there, and he calls this the catastrophe. And he talks about. Let me just. Make that bigger. It says, and this is what he says. I'm paraphrasing. Over the next several months, we will witness the collapse of the U.S. dollar as a world reserve on main currency of trade. Okay. Most dollar contracts outside the U.S. Will be converted into local currencies, and we're seeing that. I mean, I have done that. I converted to local currency. Companies and private citizens will convert dollars into local currencies. I did that. I absolutely did that. As customers continue withdrawing dollars from accounts, banks won't be able to find dollars in cash, so converting dollar balances to local currency will be the only option. As a result, we could see the dollar will crash against the BRICS, okay, and we did talk about BRICS currencies first, then continue sliding against euro, yen, and even the Canadian dollar. There will be a spike in Bitcoin, okay? But since no countries will accept it, all holders of Bitcoin will be wiped out because they won't be able to withdraw their money from crypto exchanges after those fall. So what this is saying is that they won't be able to withdraw it. I don't quite agree with that because from my perspective, for example, Crypto.com offers a credit card, right? Okay. So I have a Crypto.com credit card, and if I often sell my cryptocurrency and sell it for USD, and I use my Crypto.com credit card. So I do use that. So I don't agree with that. I don't agree that Bitcoin will be wiped out. Okay, I don't agree with that. It says, there will be a spike in Bitcoin, but since no countries will accept it, all holders of Bitcoin will be wiped out because they won't be able to withdraw their money from crypto exchanges after those fall. So we're talking about crypto exchanges falling, okay? That is why you get a hardware wallet, right? Because even though the crypto exchanges fall, you own the crypto, you own the keys, right? So the dollar liquidity crisis will accelerate the rollout of the U.S. dollar CBDC. All banking transactions in the U.S. will be centralized and cleared through systematically important financial institutions via FedNow. Most regional banks will become insolvent and require a bailout. Accounts will be frozen and limited for withdrawals. Bigger U.S. banks. Wow. So this is what they're saying, guys. This is what they're saying. I think some of it, yes, some of it, no, and some of it, maybe. But there is some factoids out there, some takeaways out there that, could happen. Balsamic in the house. OG, what do you think about the Bitcoin ETFs that grind yield off price auction on spot? I don't think that's good. Also, guys, Justin Treasury, it looks like Janet. You know who Janet is, right? Our friend Janet, the granny from the hill. She said, heads up. She met with top U.S. financial regulators in an unscheduled meeting that is closed to the public. What were they talking about? What were they pondering? What were they planning? What were they scheming? We don't know out there. We absolutely don't know out there, but it is scary. And wow. The good news, after all the gloomy and doomy out there, Eric's saying, what currency would you convert to? Well, your local currency, brother. I have, a ton of cash in Indonesia, in Jakarta. I converted all to IDR. I have a ton of cash here in Bangkok, converted all to baht. And I have a ton of cash in Vietnam. I converted all my dollars to ding dongs out there. And what I'm doing is I'm converting a large portion of it to Bitcoin. And I don't care if exchanges collapse because I got a hardware wallet out there. Yes, I do. And, Bitcoin is Bitcoin. Maybe the banks will block it. Maybe the banks won't let you take it off. But remember, some exchanges will survive. I think Binance will survive because remember, America is not the only country on planet Earth. Remember that, boys. Crypto.com will survive. Coinbase may survive out there. But, from that perspective, I wouldn't worry about it. All things will blow over, guys. So looks like good news. Looks like EMA 100 finally crossed the EMA 200. This appeared 4 times so far in BT's history and always started the bull run so far, guys. So wow, more evidence out there. 2012 it happened. 2015 it definitely happened. 19 and 20 and 2013. So we're seeing again more and more bullish indicators out there, Eric. More and more bullish indicators out there, David Ricine. More and more bullish indicators out there, Scott Gibbs, Taters and Eggs, Balsamic. We're seeing huge indicators that we're going to be seeing Bitcoin going up, guys. And guys, you've got to smash the likes. What is going on? Why are you not smashing the likes? You've got to smash the likes. I'm telling you right now. Show some love. Smash the likes. Taters and Eggs. Everybody out there who's watching the live stream, I need you to do this right now. Listen and follow and do it. Comment, return, love, comment, return, the comment, return, the OG. And it looks like Paris Bullard, much love. Thank you, brother. $4.99. You are the freaking king of the stream, my brother. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you, guys and gals out there. So some other good news is coming in as well. It looks like this is bullish. Over 1,200 German banks can now offer Bitcoin trading to their retail customers. So that is bullish. Even though we had Deutsche Bank in the crapper out there, we are still seeing that other banks are saying, whoa, wait a minute. We're going to start accepting Bitcoin and Bitcoin trading, guys. That is fantastic. If you think this is good news, guys, smash the freaking likes. Slick Art, we need Bitcoin slot machines in Las Vegas. Wow. I never thought about that, but that's interesting. The crypto casino out there. That could be interesting, guys. That could be interesting. I never thought about that out there, guys and gals. Looks like Carol Thomas. I can get a 12-ounce Pepsi out of a vending machine at Walmart for 75 cents. Wow. Can you get an A&W? Can you get an A&W, Carol? I love you, sis. I'm in Bangkok. Later, I'll show you some scenes of Bangkok out there. If my camera will reach, I'll show you some scenes. We'll definitely do that. West Salvador, I appreciate it. I love your channel. Smash the likes, guys. We got to comment because I just tell you. Look, let me give you some knowledge. Some knowledge. If you want this video to go crazy berserko and get 200 people in it, okay. You've got to comment. And the more you comment out there, the algorithm is like, oh yeah, people are engaging with this video, and it's going to push it out. The YouTube recommendation system will push this bad boy baby out there, and you've got to keep commenting. That's the only thing. Even if it's like a heart mark comment, 111 comment, you've got to keep commenting, because the more you comment, the more things will be recommended by our friends at YouTube, guys. Give the algorithm a kick in the nuts. Do you want to kick the algorithm in the nuts? I wish you would, because sometimes I'm not feeling the lovey love from the YouTubers out there. So, guys, Bitcoin, BTC, next bull run incoming. We saw 2012, big Bitcoin went parabolic. 2016, we saw the same thing, ladies and gentlemen. 2019, we saw the same thing, and we're seeing the same thing right freaking now. And, one of the things is, we have this halving. So, typically, if nothing really happens, we see accumulation. We should have seen a lot of accumulation in 2023, and then a blast off in 2024. However, ladies and gentlemen, because we had this banking crisis out there, this crisis, let's say, Todd Gravel, I really dislike you pushing the likes and comments. Stay on message. People will comment. Okay, Todd. Yeah, I appreciate that. But, at the end of the day, we got to do what we got to do, right? We got to do what we got to do. Okay, so at the end of the day, we can see that Bitcoin is going to pop off. And one of the reasons that it's going to accelerate, I believe that we're going to have an accelerated bull run or coming earlier, is because of all of the banking contagion out there. And this was unexpected. Nobody was expecting that. Nobody was expecting that. And that is why we're seeing an acceleration. That is why right now, if we take a look at Bitcoin on the quarterly, we're seeing 66.54%. Year to freaking date, guys and gals, 66.54% year to date. I mean, just look at 2022. It was a complete beep show out there. It was a big kick in the nuts. And if you guys lived through 2022, you know what I'm talking about, right? It was nuts. It was crazy. Look at Q2. Q2 was like a disaster, down 56%. We lived through it. We experienced it, and we know that 2023 is looking good. And we can thank Powell for that. We can definitely thank Powell for that, for crashing the banks with the interest rate hikes out there. I'm just telling it like it is. Some people don't like it. Maybe the algorithm is gonna slow down the recommendations because they don't like the truth out there. But I'm bringing the truth. I'm freaking tired. I'm freaking upset. I'm freaking fed up with all the malarkey that's going on out there. I'm telling you like it is right here, right now. So this is coming in from Rec Capital. It looks like next Saturday, the BTC monthly candle will have closed above the macro downtrend to confirm a new bull market, guys. So it's confirmed. It is confirmed out there. This is an urgent Dogecoin Shiba Inu update out there. Even though, Slick Art, much love, brother. Much love out there. Even though we're seeing all of the banking contagion, Bitcoin is strong. People have realized, and Bitcoin is going to moon like a mother beep out there. I love it out there, guys. Let's listen to what Carol has to say. Let's get this happening. This is what Carol, Justin Cathy Wood reports of rumors that Governor DeSantis is looking to open up Florida banks to crypto in wake of recent cracking it out. Let's listen.
There are rumors. I don't know if they're true. There are rumors that Governor DeSantis is going to work with the banking system in Florida, the state-regulated banking part of the system, and open them up more to crypto. Just like with your book, as we know from your book, taxes have consequences. If he were to do something like that, or any other government, then I think you would see a huge migration of the crypto digital asset world into Florida and into Florida banks.
I think you're totally right.
So this is cool. Looks like DeSantis wants to basically make Florida a crypto-friendly state. That would be good. And you would see a lot of crypto exchanges, a lot of crypto assets would flow into Florida. And that would be good, guys. And that could be a safe haven. Roland, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate it, brother. I appreciate it, brother. Smash the freaking likes out there. So this is good news. Absolutely good news. Also, too, and more evidence that the Bitcoin is healthy is that we can see that the total Bitcoin hash rate is at all-time highs. And this is positive. This is indicative. We will often see that the total hash rate for cryptocurrency, the total hash rate for Bitcoin will go up in advance of a price explosion. And we're seeing that, guys. We're absolutely seeing that right now. What else is coming in from the daily hodl out there? We're seeing Bitcoin could easily rip over 140% amid banking crisis, says the Tether CTO. So right now, okay, let me get my calculator out for you. Okay? So right now, the Bitcoin price, let's get that bad boy out there. Right now, let me get the predator indicator. Right now, we're seeing the Bitcoin is at 27,800. Let me round it up. 27,800, okay? Like 27,000. Let's see that. 27,800, okay? Okay? Plus 140%, okay? That's gonna take Bitcoin up to $66,000. $66,000. Okay, guys? So, 140% will easily take Bitcoin. It's not me. I'm not making this up. Guys, I am not making this up. Looks like, and this is a CTO. You know, Christ says Tether CTO. This is the CTO of Tether, not some lightweight out there. He's saying that we could be seeing Bitcoin slightly above 69,000. My calculation is based on from where we are right now, 68 and some change, right? You know, let me get that up there. Okay, my calculations on where crypto is right now is $66,720 for Bitcoin. So my M Banners Doge will pump next week on launch days. Yeah, I hope so, brother. Let's hope so, guys. So this is awesome, guys. And you know, one of the reasons that we're having this whole if you like $66,720 Bitcoin coming in this year, smash the likes. Smash the likes out there. And this is fantastic news. Fantastic out there. Taters and eggs, $100. Just hung up with Elon. He said, stand your ground. Holy smokes, man. Wow. Taters and eggs. I love you, brother. What the freak is going on? Thank you so much. Thank you, Taters and Eggs. Taters and Eggs said he just hung up with Elon Musk, and he says, stand your ground. Here we go. God bless. Here we freaking go. Wow. Taters and Eggs. I'm speechless right now. Taters and Eggs just gave us $100 super chat. What the? Wow. Thank you, brother. I love you. God bless you so much. Wow. Whoa. I gotta screenshot that, okay? I gotta screenshot that. I'm gonna screenshot it right now. I can't freaking believe it. I can't believe that. Thank you, Taters and Eggs. Wow. Also, Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson says U.S. government is waging this war. This word, I don't want to say this word here, is waging this on crypto and urges industry leaders to step up. And this is true. This is freaking true out there. And this is particularly, you know, this whole chokehold 2.0 that's happening right now. And it's clear because they want to roll out the CBDC. They do not want to have this. I don't want to say it. They don't want to have that because they don't want to interfere with the CBDC out there. So that is why we're seeing, you know, any kind of like, you know, banks that have any of this here related to it, they are like, that's why they're getting chop out there. So that's what's going on. But it's not going to last. Also, crypto whales, guys. Crypto whales are still buying up Ethereum. They're still buying up, Polygon. They're still buying up Arbitrarium. They're still buying up the SHIB. They're still buying. The whales are still freaking buying, guys. They're absolutely buying. If you take a look at the fear and greed right now, the fear and greed is unchanged from yesterday. People's sentiment about crypto is extremely bullish right now. Bullish. I'm talking bullish with a capital B. And I ain't stuttering. I'm stuttering for effect out there. Wow, Taters and Eggs. I appreciate that. How soon before CBDC will be implemented? Well, Todd, it's looking like we could be seeing, you know, June, July, August, end of summer could be happening, guys. And remember, if the man has a CBDC, it means they're going to know everything that's going on. Like right now, when you use a credit card, you know, and you check into a hotel, they know. People know. So, guys, you know, the man, he coming. He be coming for you. That's definitely what's going to be happening, guys. Hey, let's take a look at the leverage apes. What's going on with the apezoids out there? Leverage apes. And remember, this is not financial advice, but, you know, it's Sunday. Don't leverage trade. Leverage trading is bad. Nobody makes money leverage trading, and the only people that make money on the leverage trading is the exchanges. They take the fee. If you win or you lose, they take the freaking fee. And remember, when you leverage trade and you get wrecked, you have nothing. If you have your crypto on a spot exchange, for example, and Bitcoin goes down, one Bitcoin is still worth one Bitcoin. One Doger Wozer still worth one Doger Wozer, right? So keep that in mind. Do not leverage trade. Don't do it. You'll get wrecked. And I know that a lot of, you know, I know that a lot of other YouTubers, they shill like Bybit and this and that, and because they want you to trade. They want you to lose money because they get commissions, they get percentages. And I know a lot of YouTubers are going to hate me right now, and they're going to like, whatever. Well, that's the truth. So that's why they tell you to do that, because they don't care about you. They only care about that in their pocket, okay? And this channel is not about that. This channel is about making sure that the community is safe from impersonators, shillers, rip-off artists, and leverage trading is bad. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Nobody makes money. Everybody loses. Yeah, you hear some stories of some snowflake knucklehead made a mistake and suddenly he hits it big. It's like, leverage trading is really like, for the most part, going to Vegas, okay? Take your luck out there. So right now we're seeing about $66.99 million, $67 million worth of leverage out there. Right now in the last 4 hours, we got lots of shorts. We're still seeing longs though in the 24 hours. So until we got a long squeeze going on. So that's another reason why the prices are just where they are, And because it's kind of neutral out there, 62 versus the balance for longs and shorts, that is why, crypto is not moving. It's just going range bound, home on a range. So right now, most of cryptocurrencies are doing the crabby walk, but that's good, right? That's good. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to need. We just need crypto to do the crab walk. And remember, right now, if we take a look at a Bitcoin chart again, Bitcoin chart on the weekly, we're just accumulating. It's like a spring. We're building up pressure, and at some point we're gonna pop. And with the momentum that's going on, with the banking contagion, what's going on, it's gonna in the likelihood of this popping to the upside it's more likely, in my opinion, not financial advice. I think there's a 70% probability we're going to go to the upside, not to the downside. That's what I'm thinking. And, we've got all these charts I talked about. Bullish, okay? Bullish. Bullish. Bullish, okay? Bullish. There's so much bullishness out there. Just Bum, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate it. God bless you, brother. Wow, taters and eggs. I still thank you, brother. I absolutely thank you. So we're seeing a lot of bullishness out there. We're not seeing a lot of bull. We're seeing bullishness because there's so much happening, so much love out there, guys. Also, guys, don't forget, if you want to be part of the conversation, join our Discord. The link is down below. I appreciate it. Let's take a look at what's going on right now for what's going on. Looks like Dogecoin right now, upgrade set to revolutionize blockchain accessibility. So I did talk about this previously in my previous video, but there was an upgrade, and this upgrade was a security upgrade. There's also seed phrases. You can use different languages for seed phrases because taters and eggs, brother, thank you. God bless you, brother. I appreciate that. We are seeing that now your seed phrases can be in different languages, so that is good. Also, allow development. So Dogecoin is set for significant upgrade to make it more accessible and user-friendly for non-developers, which is good because also too you can use a Microsoft environment as well for programming. One of the significant upgrades is support for BIP39 seed phrases, which will make it easier for users to secure their private keys without being a technical expert. So that is good. The new feature will make it easier for people to use and store their Dogecoin on enhanced security measures, will give users greater peace of mind. So it's going to be easier, it's going to be more secure, and it's going to allow more developers to develop apps and dApps on top of the Dogecoin blockchain. And you don't have to be like a maniac, brainiac to build something on the new upgrade. So that's going to be pretty good. So the popular cryptocurrency began as a joke, but is set for a significant upgrade to enhance its user-friendliness and accessibility to non-developers. In a recent tweet, a core developer announced that it will be one of the most significant upgrades. So Dogecoin is about to see one of the most significant upgrades. And this is the biggest upgrade since 2013, guys. Just let that sink in. This is one of the most significant upgrades since 2013 for the Dozier out there, and that's going to be great, guys. And once we have more dApps and apps, we're going to have more utility. Yes, Dogecoin was a joke. Yes, Dogecoin now is set to be the greatest cryptocurrency for transactions on planet Earth. And from my perspective, when I'm sending, if I'm sending, some Bitcoin from an exchange, I'll convert it to Doge, send it to my hardware wallet and convert there. It's faster and the fees are cheap. Same with Ethereum. It's lightning speed. It's lightning fast. It's fast, guys. It's absolutely fast. What else is coming in, guys? Elon Musk loves the Doge. How about you, guys? Do you love Doge? If you love the Doge, smash Dogecoin 111, guys. Smash Dogecoin 111. Smash Dogecoin 111. You need it. I need it. Can we get this video up to 200 views? I appreciate it. Smash the likes. I gotta get some. I like this stuff. Here's a story. A story unrelated to crypto. In Vietnam, I can't buy this. I can't buy it. I've been loving this since I was a kid. So when I come to Bangkok, I load up. Tom Grau says, Doge or Shiba Inu, which will you think to go to the moon? I think both will go to the moon, and we're going to be talking about that in a second, brother. If you take a look for the price of Dogecoin right now, Dogecoin is at 0.749 out there. It is also going sideways accumulation, sideways momentum, and we're basically at our support level of 0.75 out there, which is good. Now, if you take a look at Dogecoin, who's in the money? Dogecoin 111 out there. We are seeing that 54% of people are in the money. Now, Tom, just to let you know, Tom, if we see who is in the money for Shiba Inu, we're seeing less people are in the money for Shiba Inu. That is a fact. Let me show you. So let me go into the block. Let me get the Shiba Inu out there. Shiba Inu. Let's see. Right now, we are seeing who's in the money for the sheep. Shiba Weeby. We're seeing 29% of people are in the money for sheep. So a lot of, I love A&W. I love it. Basimi, I love it. Love my A&W, brother. I love it. So 29% are in the money and the rest out. So you can see, right there that, more people who are holding the Doge are in the money. That's just a fact. It's a fact, Jack. It's a fact. Fact. What else is going on? Guys, don't forget to get the Dogecoin t-shirt down there. The link is there. You're going to want it. You're going to love it. And, what else is coming in, guys? What else is coming in? Let's see if we got any new tweets. This is from Trader Tardigrade. We got this whole diamond patent that's coming in. That's positive out there. If you had to buy and hold one stock for the rest of your life, what would it be out there? Well, let's see what they got to say. What do they say? Don't beat me up, but I like Starbucks. I've been holding Starbucks and Tesla out there. So this is Stock Money Lizards. He's coming out and he's saying, sure, this is probably nothing. Calling for 10K is denial. It's not going to happen, guys. It's not going to happen. Okay. So let's see Dogecoin tokenomics right now. Dogecoin right now is down 1.27%. That's what's going on. We are seeing that the market cap is at 9.9 billion, down 1%. We're seeing the volumes are light. It's a weekend, guys. It's a freaking weekend, guys. So what do you have planned on the weekend? Let me know. I would appreciate it. Max, OG, I love you. I love you too, brother. It's a great time to be alive. It's absolutely great time to be alive. It's a great time to be alive out there. So I don't know what happened. I just triggered Siri in the background. So you probably heard Siri chippy chapping in the background. I don't know what's going on. I know what's going on, Siri. Siri's mad. He's losing their brains out there. What else is coming? Let's take a look at the Dogecoin in terms of social engagements out there. So we are seeing the social mentions down right now for Doge is slightly up, 14%. So it looks like ever since we had the upgrade, people are starting to talk about the Doge out there. We're seeing social engagements are down and the social contributions are down as well. So, you've got to do your part, ladies and gentlemen. Jane L, Tesla. I'm holding Tesla. I like Tesla and Starbucks, not financial advice, of course. Rodney Hume, woohoo, OG, you're the man, Rodney. You are the man out there. And we're seeing that the social mentions are up. How about on the weekly? Let's take a look on the weekly right now. So we're seeing that social mentions are up on the weekly as well. So that is pretty cool beans out there. Pretty cool beans. So things are looking pretty good out there. What else is coming in? That's about it, guys. That is about it out there. We can take some Q&A. Out there. Let me see if I can get the give you guys a view of Bangkok out there. Let me see if I can get this happening. Let me see if I can move all their stuff without. I'm going to move the camera, guys, because I want to show you what's going on. I want to show you guys what's going on in Bangkok right now. Okay. So this is the view. I don't know if you can see that out there. This is the beautiful view in Bangkok. You guys can't see it. I apologize. The OG apologizes. I apologize. I apologize. I thought I could show you the view of Bangkok, but I can't because I can't because I am the window is too bright. So I apologize for that. My bad. My bad. I thought I could show you the view of Bangkok, but I am in Bangkok. I'm going to be in Bangkok all week. Then back to Vietnam. I'm putting my camera back. Putting my camera back. Sorry about that. Sorry. My bad. My bad. Maybe I could try it again. Maybe I could try it again. Anyways, I'm in Bangkok. And we got an offsite today as well out there. So guys, let's get into our Q&A session. Let's get into Q&A. Guys, do go back and watch all the videos. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm still holding Floki. Scott, I'm still holding Floki out there. I tried to send you, I tried to show you, but it didn't work. So let's get into the Q&A session out there. Let's get into the Q. Sorry about the mess on the live stream. So let's get into the Q&A out there. Let's get into the Q&A. Out there. Any questions out there? Jane, Crypto Grandpa, don't think it's so either. He hasn't said much. What's going on? Crypto Grandpa, not trying to be negative, but it doesn't seem like Elon Musk is entering the Doge tippy jar on Twitter. I mean, Elon Musk, he did talk to one guy, Dogecoin designer, had asked about visiting the Twitter headquarters, and and with that, Elon Musk did reply, look, come on over, brother. It's going to cost you 3 Doge. Remember that, guys? Remember that tweet? I think I can pull up that tweet right here. Let me go to my Twitter. See if I can pull that up out there. Let's see. That was a couple of days ago, right? I think he did talk about it around about here, guys and gals. Where is it? Let me see if I can find it. Dogecoin to the moon. I love Dogecoin. Banks are melting. Let's see. Bam, here we go. Where's that tweet? I did tweet about it. Here. That's the tweet here. Remember, Grandpa, the last time that Elon Musk did tweet about it was on the 23rd of March, and he did say, but it's going to cost you 3 Doge. So that is kind of Elon Musk telegraphing that he still loves the Doge. He's still with the Doge. I love it. Jane L says, I think he's waiting till XRP's case to be over. Everybody else is depending on his case. The all-time high, Gary is suing left, right, and center. Yeah, maybe. Gary, our freaking Gary. He's been sending love letters left, right, and center to everybody out there. He's on a mission. He's on a mission of glory. He's on a mission of conquest out there. He wants to conquest the crypto space out there. He wants to be conquestive. Is that even a word? Conquestive? He's been conquestive out there. I don't know what's going on. Being conquestive out there. So Gary's on a mission. Gary's on a mission out there. Gary Gensler. Yeah, Gary Gensler. Gary. I love Gary. Hopefully the AI is listening. That's what I got. That's what I got to say about Gary out there. A&W time. Any more questions out there? Let's see. Yeah, Gary. Grandpa. Crypto Grandpa says Gary. We love Gary. We love him. Gary's a tool out there. Thoughts on Dogelon? This is from Ultimaga. I've not looked into that, brother. I'm not a big Dogelon. I don't know. Sorry, brother. Shane Smith in the house. Shane, I want to thank you and David for being moderators. They want their own. Yeah, that's what's going on. You see, CBDCs. Just think about it. CBDCs are rolling out. Okay. Maybe end of summer, winter time. So what they're trying to do now is they're trying to, get rid of crypto banks, go after crypto, shut down exchanges. That's why, Gary sent the Wells notice to Coinbase and other exchanges out there, because they want to level the playing field, So the CBDC will roll in. That's what's going on. That's what's going on. I'm transferring all my money to Pupushmata coin. Yeah, Poo-push coin. Is there actually a coin called poo-push coin? I don't think so. Poo-push coin. I don't think there is one. Jane Ellen House. So guys, that's what we're seeing. We're seeing a leveling. But the thing is, the bona fide crypto holders, we're not dumb. We're not dumb, dumb. That's why we're seeing that Bitty's freaking up, 66.54%. Compare that to last year. I mean, last year was like complete, hot turd show out there, and we just within not even one Q1 is not even over, and we already went nuts, 100% better than what we were in 2022, and this will continue going, guys. Continue going. Thanks, OG. You're the man. Judith, Murray, much love out there. Tater's Egg, there are 3 minutes left for donation match time. Let's go. Guys, Taters and Eggs is issuing an ultimatum. Can anybody beat his super chat of $100? Can you believe it that Taters and Eggs gave us $100 on this stream? I appreciate that. Lexington, you know where Annabelle is? Annabelle's in Vietnam. I left her in Vietnam hanging on a wall, upside down. That's where she is, and that's where she can freaking stay out there, because, I don't bring the Annabelle because Annabelle is a Debbie Downer. You know what I mean? So that's what's going on out there. So it's a great time to be live, guys. Absolutely a great time to be live out there. So any more questions? Let's see. Shirts. Yes, the shirts. The shirts are right here. This is for Paris Bullard. Go down to the link. The shirts are there. There's a link down there. You'll see it. It's great, guys. Get the shirts. Any more questions out there? Let's see. Dogecoin shirt. Yes, get the Dogecoin shirt. Just Dogecoin shirt. Hope Spell. Yeah, Spell is good. That's part of Phantom. I have Phantom. It's great. It's absolutely great out there. Let's see. We love the shirts. Get the shirts, guys. Get the shirts. Also, we got other merch too. You can go to our shop. The link is also down there. And I think you can see the link as well in the live stream. Get the merch, guys. Get the merchy merch. You're going to want the merch, guys. We got mugs and stuff. This is really popular item. This is a popular item, the mugs, guys. The mugs. Get the mugs. What else is coming in? Let's see. The muggity mug. We need the OG shirt. Get the OG shirt. Get it. The shirt looks like this. Get that shirt. This is a cool picture. I think I'm gonna print this one. This was made by AI. This is a cool picture, guys. Cool picture. Cool. I'm gonna save it. Save image as. Save it. I'm saving it. There we go. I just saved it. If anybody wants this image, just DM me on Twitter. I'll send it to you. I'll obviously send it to you. Dogecoin shirts. So guys and gals, if there's no more questions, I should end the streamy weemy out there. I should end it. Any more questions? Out there? Taters and Eggs, thank you, brother. Need to mail a shirt to Gary. Yeah. We should mail a shirt to Gary. I'm going to do that. I'm going to mail a shirt to Gary. Judith Murray laughing out loud. OG, I think we're talking about the Red Dragon shirt you wore. Yeah. I gotta get the Red Dragon shirt back on. Pupushmata coin to the moon. Dogecoin to the freaking moon, guys. It's a great time to be live. Peace out, OG. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the stream. Once again, I'm gonna end it with Elon Musk, my man, your man out there. We love the Elon Musk. And guys, thanks for everything. Thank you. I'm gonna try to do a live stream tonight, guys. Because I'm going shopping with the wifey now. AMA, you have a great day. Thank you, brother. So guys, peace out, guys. Peace out. I'll see you in the freaking next one. It's a great time to be alive. We love Elon Musk. I love you guys. I absolutely love you guys so much. Be well. Be blessed. Peace out.